Up for sale, 1972 Chevy Monte Carlo. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 72 Monte Carlo, finished in a maroonish black cherry color. 18-inch Riddler wheels all the way around, 350, power steering, power front disc brakes, factory AC, 12-bolt rear. And as always, go around it, point out anything I do see, tell you everything I do know about it, fire it up, and then drive it. But first, my name is Andrew, and I'm also competing with the wind today, so I'd like to apologize for that. And my business is Next Gen Classic Cars of Illinois. My website is nextgenclassiccars.com. That link will be in the description of this video if you want to go ahead and check it out. My eBay link will also be in the description of this video. You can go ahead and comment on it. Good morning. I'm doing well. Send an email, send a message, phone call on the office line, whatever works. But anyway, we'll start here in the front. Oops, lost my balance. Oops, lost my balance again. Let's go. Nice fitment on the front section here. See a couple marks on the chrome bumper. It's in nice condition. It's probably original to the car. The panels are all original to the car as well, which is very good. This fitment here, this is super nice. The fitment, let me show you here. Down the hood is exactly the way you want it to be. Same deal here. This is all super nice. Let me show you that. I see a little mark right there on the hood, but let me keep going. This is only the second Monte Carlo I had the pleasure to own. You see a little bit of dust on the paint from the wind coming in, but really good looking. Let's go here real quick, since it is such a large hood. The only other one I did have was a Super Sport 454 car, which was a 70, very rare. Anyway, let's pop the hood here. I'll crack my back and set my phone down. Bear with me. $350, 4-barrel carb, aluminum intake, factory AC, power steering, power front disc brakes as well. And you see the front disc brakes through the beautiful Riddler wheels in here. Pretty much looks very original. You see a couple stickers here on this, where the factory AC components are. Firewall's clean. AC works as well. Inner fender walls look nice and clean as well. Go a little bit over here. You see the body tag in place. I gotta take a picture of that. Factory exhaust manifolds as well. It's I believe it's an Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetor. Underhood, clean and original as well. But anyway, we will go to the side of the car first. Always love that lower body molding all the way down the side of the car. Little mark right there that you see. Let's see the straightness of the body. Very straight, very straight. And again, nice fitment here on the original, fender and door. That lines up super nice. You see a couple little marks there. Couple marks on this bridge here. Sorry for the wind one more time. And then for some reason on the rocker, on both fenders, on this spot, there's a little bit of that. Nowhere else down there. So it must be common because the other side has the same thing. But maybe a certain area where the water goes back. But the rocker itself is very nice. The frame's nice. Underneath the car, no rust, no patches. Windshield is in very nice condition, as well as the stainless. And if I have to voice over at any time because of the wind, I probably just will cut it out. Little smudge right there, but nice fitment there as well. So going in. The interior is mint actually, but we'll start here like always. Nice hem in the door. It is actually a very solid car. Door panel looks mint, very nice. Shows like light wear all the way around. Front seat, very, very nice. Carpet's clean, no rips, and probably recent. I'm always a big fan of the little wood grain on the dash. Turbo 350 trans column shift. It's got a new transmission pan on it, as well as a new oil pan, so new gaskets on both of those, which are always positive. A little different radio in it. And just back out a little bit, show you the dash pad, which there's a little hairline right there, but the rest of it does not have any cracks in it, which is always positive as well. And the AC works. I think I mentioned that, but I don't know. Just a couple added gauges down there. Better than the little lights, because those don't tell you anything until it's too late. Back seat looks nice. Back seat door panels look nice. Headliner looks nice. You see a little hole right there, and actually a little tiny one right there, but the rest of it's actually very nice condition. It's not sagging. Very solid fitment on the door. Show you the top of the car here. Nice. Rail's always nice. Always a big fan of when this is done nice and right. Or did I leave off right about here? A little tiny mark right there. And a little scuff there. Always a fan of these wheels. Little one right there, and then just a couple of bubbles right there. I can't really guess the age of the paint, but the condition and the quality are there. I think I mentioned it in a different video. These were from a different car. Get up on this. Oh, I want to refocus my camera. There you go. See, bumper in the back. Show some light wear as well. You see there a couple marks on it, stuff like that. That trim panel looks nice and original, and I gotta grab the key. So I'll just go in from this side. Show you the lid. Super nice fitment there. Very nice fitment there. Same deal over here. Exactly how you want it to be. And you see a little smudging on this. I probably should have wiped it down a little bit better. But past that, the paint is actually very nice. You see there, reflection on the brick wall. The only repair underneath the car is there's a section of the trunk pan, but you got 4 carpet mats in case you wanted to use them. I always throw them in the back in case you don't want them, or show how nice the carpet is in this case. Nice finish in here, some marks, some stuff like that, but solid. You see a little stamping there for the original quarter, and which would lead me to believe, yep, right there is one more. Lid is nice, and a little carpet mat. And then there's the little repair to the trunk pan just in the middle. So the outside and the outside on that side are original. And of course, quarters are original. Key, yep. Always a big fan of this. Let me refocus. Okay. Nice fitment there. See a little chip in that section. Rocker panel looks nice. Nice and straight. Nice there. A couple speakers in the back for the radio. And the reverse lights work as well, which is just a big bonus on its own. A little scuff right there. Same deal here, nice hem in the door. Door panel just about as nice as the driver one. be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video if you want to check it out. Let us know. Working dome light. 72 Monte Carlo. Finished in a maroonish black cherry. 350, turbo 350 trans steering, power front disc brakes. Factory AC, 12 bolt rear. Nice fitment there as well. I gotta refocus my camera one more time. There we go. So, thank you for watching, and I'll go fire it up now, and then drive it. Thank you. Alright,